Hi everyone, welcome back to Project of the Week. Today on collab.dev, I'm going to be focusing on HedgeDoc. So let's just get started. Okay, let's take a look at some of these metrics. All right off the bat, 85% of PRs are done by bots. And as well as 63% of any, repo activity are also done by bots, which is pretty high. Maybe the team is focusing on automating a lot of their routine tasks so that they can focus on big picture things or something a little bit more complex. Okay, 100% review merge rate. So that means every single PR gets reviewed before merging. That's a really strong commitment to maintaining that good quality throughout the entire review process. And here, 93% of reviews are completed within just 1 hour, which is pretty high. And yes, this turnaround time is under 2.5 minutes, which is pretty fast feedback for contributors. Maybe it's due to the automation of the bots or just very strong review standards. So I think overall, these metrics are very strong. HedgeDoc is a very high performing project from a glance. If you're a contributor just curious about collaborative documentation tools or just curious about efficiency in the open source community, definitely check this out. It's a very top performing project. But that's it for this week. If you have any projects that you would like me to check out for Project of the Week, feel free to drop a comment here. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.